Scores. How spread out are they? The test scores are 10, 80, 50, and 95. We need one number to tell us the total difference between the highest and lowest scores. This measure of how spread out the data is called the range. It's the simplest way to measure variation in a set of numbers. The first step is to identify the largest value in the dataset. Next, we identify the smallest value in the dataset. Finally, we find the difference by subtracting the smallest from the largest. Let's find the range for this dataset: 25, 10, 35, 15. The largest score is 35. The smallest score is 10. Subtracting the minimum from the maximum gives us 25. So, the spread of this dataset is 25. Let's try another dataset: 5, 5, 5, and 5. The largest score is 5. The smallest score is also 5. The range is 5 minus 5, which is 0. A range of 0 means there is no spread, or no variation, in the data. Try finding the range for this dataset. Pause and calculate the difference between the max and min values now. The maximum is 100 and the minimum is 15. The range is 85. Here's one more practice question. Be careful with large numbers. Pause and find the spread of the data. The maximum is 190 and the minimum is 100. The range is 90. Let's quickly recap what we learned about the range. The range is the largest number minus the smallest number in a set. The range tells us how spread out or varied the data is. A larger range means the numbers are more different from each other. You've successfully mastered the range. You can now calculate the spread of any dataset. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.